I can't believe myself that I'm back again this week with another movie recommendation because I've seen such amazing movies that I could not stop myself from recommending those. So, in this particular video, I'm talking about Frankenstein. And let me tell you, the storyline of this movie 10 on 10. The cast, the acting 10 on 10. The frames, the cinematography 10 on 10. This movie is one of the most well crafted movies of 2025, and it is getting hyped for all the perfect reasons. And I agree with everybody who is saying that this movie just knocks it off the park. So the storyline of this movie is very simple. It's based on the novel by Mary Shelley called Frankenstein. In this particular novel or in the movie itself, there is a mad scientist called Victor Frankenstein who wants to betray death, and that is the reason he creates this creature from the body parts of multiple people, and then somehow puts life into that creature. And that's when the movie starts, where you see the line between what's human and what's monster gets blurred, and they flirt with this line all along the movie. You hear the side of Victor, you hear the side of Frankenstein, and to be honest, by the end of this movie you'll actually think who was more human, who was a monster, who really is a monster. And that's what this movie intends for, I feel. Not just that. So the cast of this movie has done such a phenomenal job. Jacob, we have seen him in rom-coms, in Euphoria, in Saltburn, but in Frankenstein as a creature, he just nails the portrayal of it. The way he walks, the way he talks, everything is so good that you feel like he is actually the creature that he depicts. And then one of the best performances was done by Oscar Isaac, the one who plays the role of Victor Frankenstein, the scientist in the movie. I think he was the best, even though Jacob is getting a lot of appreciation, but this film is nothing without Oscar. The way he talks, the way he delivers a speech in front of so many people, the way he's passionate about what he's doing, the way he believes in his idea, I mean, he portrays it with so much clarity, with so much dedication that you could feel every emotion that he's feeling. You could feel the guilt, the regret, everything. And that is the best performance. I think he deserves all the applause in the world. Everybody's performance is so good, but these two have just nailed it, have just done the best performance of their life for sure. And not just that, I think I don't expect Hollywood horror movies to deliver such kind of dialogues, to have such kind of dialogues at the first place. The way this film is written, the way the dialogues are written, and the way they have delivered, everything is so good. This movie will keep you hooked, and the way it has ended, it will definitely make you question. It is just a beautiful movie, and I totally recommend it. Go and watch it this weekend and let me know what you think of Frankenstein. This one is hands down one of the best movies of 2025. Happy binge watching.